Hello everyone. In previous session we studied about the basic things regarding computer network experiment number 1. In that we will discuss about how to form a network cable. Okay? How to form network cable. So in this previous in that previous one we simply make a cable with the help of crimping tool and RJ45 connector. Okay, but today's session we are going to discuss about today's session we are going to discuss about how to make actual physical network with the help of computer, RJ45, LAN cable as well as switch. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss in detail. Figure shows that there are 5 computers over there in your screen. So it is not possible to connect each computer to every other computer. So I required one device called as switch or hub. So switch or hub having a number of ports. It's depend on user requirement. If you switch is available in 12, 24, in the range of 12 switch is available in the market. Okay, that switch having a port, that particular port is called as Ethernet port, LAN port or RJ45 port. Okay, so in that particular situation each and every computer is connected to switch with the help of twisted pair cable. Already we discussed about what is twisted pair cable. It contains 8 cables, means 4 pairs present in that particular cable. So you can use any type of cable or any category of cable. Depend on the features provided by particular cable, it is categorized into multiple categories from category 1 to category 7. Each and every cable having a variation in its data speed that that particular cable must carry. Okay, so in that we will discuss about what are the different types of cabling. Most popularly used cabling type which is the straight through cable and crossover cable. Okay, if you are using same type of a device, if you want to connect switch to switch, so at that time you required crossover cable or computer to computer. But if you are connecting PC to switch, at that time you are required a straight through cable. So in general purpose, straight through cable is most widely used. In our lab, straight through cable is used. That particular figure showing in front of you, switch computer to switch connection is provided with the help of straight through cable. So how it will connect? You can select any port from switch. It will connect to particular computer. Everyone knows that every computer having RJ45 connector. If your computer doesn't have, so you can't put your computer in network. So that particular animation shows that how connectivity will made with switch and your computer, in between switch and computer. So so there is no particular sequence to making the connection. It is depend on user feasibility. We form a sequence to remember that sequence, because to troubleshoot any kind of a problem, if you know that which computer is connected to the which port. So after connecting each and every computer, there is a necessity that you must you must provide an IP address to each and every computer. If you don't provide that, so what happen? Your computer will not able to communicate with each other, because without any identity we can't communicate over the network. For that purpose it is necessary that you must assign any IP to any computer. Suppose you consider any LAN, so you in that scenario you simply provide IP address of any range, but all computers should use the IP address in the same range. For example, first computer contains 192.168.1.1, so next one, which is the 192.168.1.2 sequence, it will follow the sequence. After that 1.3, after that 1.4. So necessary that simply connecting your computer with cables so it form a network. No, you need to assign an IP address. So in that, in the following some slide, we shows that how we will set up an IP address to an computer. So simply right click on the internet connection icon. After that, it will open a network sharing center. In that particular session, you will see a LAN connection icon. After right click on that LAN connection icon, there is option internet protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4. In that particular section, you simply set an IP address to an computer, anything that you want to set. So in your screen there is an example, gives you idea about how to set an IP address to an computer. So after that, subnet mask is automatically taken by the system. There is no need to take. Okay. So this is the simple procedure to take to configure the IP address of a system. After that, whether your IP address is properly configured or not, you simply use ipconfig command. It will shows the total configuration of your system. Okay, so already we discussed about this in first session of your computer network, but this is a point related to the today's session, so I will explain again here how to check that. When you simply fire ipconfig/all, it will shows you all the information, configuration information of your computer. So how to check computer connectivity? How to check computer connectivity? Simply, you simply goes on run, then type ping space IP address of your computer. If it will gives a reply messages, if it will gives reply messages like that, if it will gives pinging reply from that particular host, that means your computer is in properly connected with all other computers. So it will check the connectivity of your computer. If it will doesn't reply anything, that means you simply understand that your computer is not connected. Okay, so this is the basic scenario how to configure IP address and all these things. So in this session we will dealing about how to configure IP addresses. If you want to check whether other computer, any other computer is connected with your system or not, so simply go in run command, simply fire command ping space IP address of your system and enter. So entering after entering it will shows after entering it will shows a command prompt and replying message from that particular host. So this is your remaining part of LAN formation. To form a LAN with the help of computer and switch, you simply provide a connectivity, then configure IP address. After configuration, check whether the response is come from other computer or not. Simply go to the command prompt, then use command ping space IP address of particular host. If a response came, so it means your computer is properly connected within that particular network. Okay, thank you for session. If any doubt regarding this session, kindly comment me. or send message in inbox. Thank you.